channel to Smriti's Diary. I hope you guys are doing good. So today in this vlog I am going to introduce you to my mother's special recipe, that is prawns fry masala. And if you are a non-vegetarian and especially a seafood lover, you're gonna love this recipe. And if you are a vegetarian, so you can definitely try this recipe with paneer, that is cottage cheese. So without a further ado, let's start. So let's begin with the marination. This is 500-gram prawns. Now add half tablespoon salt, 2 big tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 3/4 tablespoon of haldi, that is turmeric, crushed black pepper 3/4 teaspoon, 1 full of lime juice. Now guys, mix well. Let the masala get coated nicely throughout the prawns. Since we have added lime juice, this will add nice citrus to the prawns. Here you can add additional spice if you wish to. Now all the ingredients is mixing well and it is coming together, and let's keep it aside for 20 minutes. So guys, first we'll fry the marinated prawns. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat for a few seconds and now add prawns. Since we have taken 500 grams, so we will fry this in 2 batches. Now you can see the prawns has shrunk a little bit. Now slowly turn over. So guys, don't over fry it. We don't need to fry it completely. Just cook up to 80% and rest it will cook at the later stage. So now both the sides it is well cooked. Let's remove it from the pan, and after this we'll be frying the second batch. And if you are trying this recipe with paneer, then you need to marinate the same way, and then you can shallow fry the paneer from both the sides. So now second batch is also done. Let's remove it. Now let's move on to masala preparation. Now add 4 tablespoon oil. Let's heat it for a few seconds. Now after adding chopped onion, saute it for 10 to 15 minutes until it is light in golden color. So guys, here at this stage you can add 2 pinch of salt. This will help the onion to turn brown in color faster. This is a great tip. This helps in reducing cooking time. So now after 10 minutes, add turmeric powder 3/4 tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon, this is coriander powder, dhania powder 3 tablespoon, and saute it nicely. Now add crushed garlic 1 tablespoon. This is a very important ingredient. This really enhances the flavor, so don't skip this step. Now add 4 chopped green chili. This one which we have used is less spicy. Now here we'll add 4 chopped tomato. Now add salt half tablespoon. So now since we have mixed all the ingredients well, now we'll close the lid and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes till the tomato is soft and tender. And here it is. Finally everything is done. The onions, the tomatoes is well cooked. It's soft and tender. You can also cook a little further as per your liking. Now let's add the fried prawns in it and give it a good mix. So now let the prawns fry get coated with the masala really well. And since we have added salt and chili powder in fry and also in the masala, so at this stage you can add the salt and spices if needed and as per your taste. Now since we have already fried the prawns, so all we need to do is just close the lid for 2 to 5 minutes. So guys, this is done and now it is ready to serve. So guys, this prawns masala recipe, we have this with rice and dal, and also you can stuff this in a bread like a toast that goes well with the ketchup, and also you can make this as a fried prawn roll or a frankie. So all you need to do is place the roti or chapati, put some prawn masala, add green chutney on it, place few onion rings and 2 pinch of chaat masala, and then wrap it as a frankie or a roll, and it is ready to be served as an evening snack or dinner. So this is it guys, try this recipe. This recipe you can try this in many ways. This really goes well with quinoa, rice, roti and bread. Have it as per your liking. So guys, I hope you like this video, and whenever you try this recipe you can tag me on Instagram, that is Smriti5749. Till then, hit that like button, share, subscribe to my channel, that is Smriti's Diary.